Samar. I'm here at the Remote Lounge in NYC, and right next to me is Stingray. He just performed tonight. He's fresh off the stage. How do you feel tonight?
Everything is good. You know what I mean? Just grinding, putting in that work. What's necessary to take it to the next level, you know what I mean? And that's about to happen soon.
Well, let me ask you a question because I love your performance. I really like, out of all the performers that I've seen, and I've done these gigs a lot, I really, really like your message and what you had to say. And I wanted to ask you, are you a Christian?
Let's go. Oh, yeah, I am, definitely.
That's awesome. Christians in the house.
Definitely. Representing the Most High to the fullest, you know what I mean? And, you know, I grew up in a single-parent home, had the thing in the streets like everybody else, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing new as how it is growing up, you know, with that struggle. So I represent that, you know what I mean? So that's part of me too, and so I have that balance, and that's what I spit, you know, like, if it wasn't for God, I wouldn't be rhyming, I would still be in the street.
Well, I love your lyrics. I mean, they just speak basically that you are a Christian, and I think it's so amazing because in this business, all the rappers that go up on that stage, it's all, you know, about guns and sex and booty and whatever. And you know, you're keeping it real, and I love that. I just love that. That was so amazing. I hope you do really good in your career, and I wish you so much success. So
I appreciate that to the fullest, you know, and I just want to give a special shout out to Samara and Doug at Video City. I interviewed with Doug, and I, you know, knew Doug from the very beginning, and I'm happy, proud to see him making moves as far as he comes. He's come a long way and really doing it big, and, you know, this guy's living proof of hard work. Doug is living proof of hard work. You know what I mean? And I respect that, and it's just going up. It's going up.
One more thing for all the fans out there, we want to be able to contact you and find out where they can reach you. So tell us your contact information.
You can reach me for anybody that want to get at me on the celly. You can get at me at 917-202-8642. Like I said, my entertainment company is called First Kings Entertainment. I've had major radio play in New York, Wendy Williams, Power 92 in Chicago. I did the first major DVD with a Hustle Up DVD. Was #1 in the Source. Performed all throughout New York, so I definitely got history. You can reach me at myspace.com/Stingray. That's STYNGRAY. myspace.com/Stingray. STYNGRAY.
So thank you so much, Stingray, for stopping by. I really appreciate it, and have a great night, okay?
Thanks a lot. Take care.